Hello, this is Liz with DC Digital, and today I am demonstrating our standard DC-60T-UP-TERM. So in this video, I'm going to first go over how to use the timer and then follow up with the hardware and features. So on the left side here is the control junction box, and there are wires coming out, and there are 3 separate wires for the controls. One does start-stop, one does reset to 0 if the timer's stopped, and the last one will reset the timer to 0 and automatically restart the timer, and that doesn't matter if it's already stopped or not. So I'll go ahead and start it, and to start out you can see that it shows seconds and tenths and hundredths, and that will change over to minutes and seconds when the timer reaches 1 minute, and then when the timer reaches an hour, it'll show hours and minutes. So I'll stop it, and then I'll just restart it, so you can restart it to 0 and have it wait at 0 until you start the timer again. Or you can reset it to 0 and start the timer automatically with the last wire. Okay, so on this timer you can see that there are junction boxes on either side. The left one is for controls and the right one is for power. And this doesn't come with any switches or anything. You're just going to get the pigtail wires out the left for controls and out the right for the power. And there are a couple of different products on our website that you can get for the controls. I would recommend the SW1 HD60 Red. That's a 60mm palm switch inside a junction box, and it has 25 feet of cable. So for the timer, the digit size is going to be 6-inch red LED. And the case is powder-coated aluminum extrusion. It has an IP rating of 66, which means that it is dustproof and watertight. And the way you mount it is with teardrop, or the mounting tabs in the back, and they have teardrop-shaped holes. There's one on each side. And then the power out the right here is going to be 100 to 240 volts AC, 50 to 60 hertz, and they have pigtail cables that are labeled live, neutral, and ground. It does not come with a 3-prong 6-foot cable. It's just going to come with the 3 labeled wires. And on the left here, there's just going to be pigtail wires for controls. Like I said before, there's not a palm switch or anything that comes with it by default. But there are 3 separate common wires for the controls. So each of the 3 control wires, start, stop, reset and start, and just normal reset, can be connected to their own separate palm switch or some sort of activator. All right, I believe that's it. So all of our products are manufactured and assembled at our location in Carlisle, Ohio. So if you like this product and want to order, or if you have any questions about how we can customize any of our products for your specific needs, please contact us using the link in the description. So again, this has been Liz with DC Digital demonstrating our standard DC-60T-UP-TERM. Thank you.